The new iOS 18 introduced us to a new feature that allows us to take a long page screenshot at once. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can do exactly that, so stay tuned until the end of the video to find out how. First thing that I will do is to open a longer article on the internet in order to show you how this works. When I open a specific page that is longer and should take more than one screenshot, I will take a regular screenshot by pressing the power button and the volume up button at the same time. My iPhone will take a regular screenshot and a picture will be shown in the bottom left corner of my screen. Before the picture disappears, I need to tap on it and the picture editing page will open on the screen. Here you will see the screenshot that you took, but more importantly you will see an option at the top right corner of the screen which says full page, so let's tap on it. Now you will have a view of the full page that you took the screenshot of, and if you want to edit it and need only a couple of pages, just tap on the crop button in the top left corner of the screen. Now you can just crop the image to your liking, and when you are finished simply tap on the button done in the top left corner of the screen. Now in order to save the image, tap on the little square button with an arrow in the top right corner of the screen and save or send the image wherever you want. If this tutorial was helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more similar tutorials. Leave your questions and suggestions in the comment section down below, and I will come back to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.